Hello children, glad to meet you in your maths class. I hope you have completed the maths homework. Few students did not write the homework. So students, write homework properly and send it WhatsApp number, okay? Your marks will be awarded for the homework only, okay children? So, do it properly, okay? So now, let's start our class. Listen carefully, okay? Let's see the continuation of the previous class in exercise 1.2, fourth question. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Your question is, write all possible two-digit numbers that can be formed by using the following digits. Okay, so your question is, write all possible two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. Which numbers are called two-digit numbers? 10 to 99, yes? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, etc. up to 99. So these numbers are two-digit numbers, okay? So here, write all possible two-digit numbers that can be formed by using the following digit. First question, 6, 2 and 4. Here three digits are given, okay? One is 6. And second is 2 and another one is 4. So here three numbers are given. You write all possible two-digit numbers. But here is three numbers given. Yes children? This is 6 and second 2 and 4. But we need only two-digit numbers. So, நம்மளுக்கு த்ரீ நம்பர்ஸ் த்ரீ டிஜிட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஆனால் நம்மளுக்கு டூ டிஜிட் நம்பர் தான் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். அப்போ என்ன செய்யலாம்? two digit use பண்ணிக்கணும் சரியா? So first using the digit 6, 2, okay? So using the digits 6 and 2, okay? Using 6 and 2. So now you say the possible two-digit numbers 6 ஐயும் 2 ஐயும் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? two-digit number ஃபார்ம் பண்ண போகிறோம். So two digit, okay? 6 and 2, 62. And 2 and 6, 26, okay? The next number, anything? 6. Repetition of digit is allowed. So, 6, 66, okay? And 2, 22, okay children? So, 6 ஐயும் 2 ஐயும் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம எத்தனை நம்பர் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணலாம்? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1 is 62, 26, 66 and 22, okay? Next. Using the digits 2 and 4, okay? Using 2 and 4. First, you using the digit 6 and 2. Next, use the digit 2 and 4, okay? 2 and 4. Say, which numbers? Two-digit numbers, okay? 2 and 4, 24. 4 and 2, 42. And the repetition of the numbers, 22, okay? 22 and 44. But here, so 2 times 22, here also 22 is there, here also 22 is there, yes? So in the last answer la எழுதும்போது நம்ம என்ன தான் எழுதணும்? one time தான் 22 எழுதணும், okay? The next. First time using the digit 6 and 2, then after using 2 and 4, then last 4 and 6, okay? So using 4 and 6. Say the number, two-digit numbers. 4 and 6, 46. 6 and 4, 64. 4 and 4, that is 44. And 66. Okay, children? So, these numbers can be formed by these two digits, yes? Sorry, these digits, 6, 2 and 4, okay? Now, you write the answer, hence. Finally, you write the answer, hence. All possible two-digit numbers are, say the numbers, first 62, 26, 66, 44, sorry, 66, 22, okay? 22. Then after 24, 42, 22. This 22 already I written. So that is no need to write again, okay? So next number 44. Then now you come here 46, 64, 44 already I written, so no need to write again. Next is 66. 60 also is there, okay? Yes. So this much numbers only we can form. Okay, children? So your question is, listen all of you. Write all possible 2-digit numbers that can be formed by 6, 2 and 4. Okay? So 3 numbers, 3 digits use பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், 2-digit number form பண்ணணும். Okay, so that's why using 2 digits. First one is 6 and 2. Then after you use the digits 2 and 4. Then after use the digits 4 and 6. Okay, children, are you clear? Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date and write the question. Okay, write all possible 2-digit numbers that can be formed by using the following digits. Repetition of digit is allowed. That is kind. So in fourth question you write first one 6, 2 and 4. So write the solution. Do it fast. Write neatly, same time. Write without mistakes, okay? Write fast. Have you finished? Okay, the next second one. Nine, 3 and 7. Okay. So write the solution. Write all possible 2-digit numbers that can be formed by which digits? 9, 3 and 7. Okay. Repetition of digit is allowed. Okay, children. So first of all, use the digits 9 and 3. Okay. So using which one? 9 and 3. Okay. Using 9 and 3. So what is the answer? 9 and 3 use பண்ணி என்ன செய்யணும்? 2-digit number form பண்ண போறோம். So 9 3 93, 3 9 39. Next 9 9 99 and 3 3 33. Okay, repetition of digit is allowed. That's why 99 and 33 also come. Okay, children? Yes. Now you come to the next digits 3 and 7. Okay, using 3 and 7. Okay. So using 3 and 7. So say the 2-digit numbers. 3 7 37, 7 3 30, 73, 3 3 33 and 7 7 77. Okay. At last use the digits 7 and 9. Okay. So now using 7 and 9. Say the numbers 7 9 79, 9 7 97. So 7 7 77 and 99. Okay, children. So these numbers are 2-digit numbers. Yes? Yes. Now you see that final answer. Hence, all possible 2-digit numbers. Okay. 2-digit numbers are, say the answer 93. So 93, 39, 99, 33, 37, 73, 33 already I written, okay. So that's why no need to write again and again. Next number you come. 77, 79, 97. 77 already is there. Yes. Then 99 also there. So 97 is finished, okay. So therefore, hence all the possible two-digit numbers are 93, 39, 99, 33, 37, 73, 77, 79, 97. Okay, children? Do you understand? I hope you understood. Okay. So you write it in your classwork note. In fourth question. First one is already done. This is the second one. Okay. Do it. Do fast, children. Have you finished? Now the second one. Next question. Okay. Write all possible three-digit numbers. Write all possible three-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits. Using the following digits. Repetition of digit is not allowed. Repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay. So in fifth question, first one, 2, 5 and 7. Okay, children. So listen. 2, 5 and 7. Okay. Write all possible three-digit numbers. Okay. So here only three numbers only is there. 3-digit only is there. We want only 3-digit number. Okay, children. So it is so easy. Okay. So using the digits. 2, 5 and 7. So now you say three-digit numbers. Write all the possible three-digit number using the digits 2, 5 and 7. Okay. So say the answer. Possible three-digit numbers are so இந்த 3 நம்பரையும் யூஸ் பண்ணி 3 digit number சொல்லணும். ஓகேயா? ஸோ யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க பார்ப்போம். 3 digit number 2, 5, 7. ஓகே? எஸ். 2, 5, 7. நெக்ஸ்ட் 2, 7, 2. 7, 5. சாரி. 2, 7, 5. ஓகே? 2, 7, 5. நெக்ஸ்ட் 5, 2, 7. 5, 2, 7. நெக்ஸ்ட் 5, 7, 2. ஓகே? 5, 7, 2. Next 7, 2, 5. 7, 2, 5. 7, 5, 2. 7, 5, 2. Okay, children? 2, 5, 7. That's one number using this digit. Okay. Next is 5, 2, 7. And 5, 27572. Okay, the next 725 752. Next 222, that's also 222 is the 3-digit number only, but here what is given? Repetition of digit is not allowed, so that's why 222, 555, 777 is not come. Okay, so this much only answer. So using the digits 2, 5 and 7, the possible 3-digit numbers are 257, 275, 527, 552, 572, 725 and 752. Okay, clear? Yes. Now write it in your classwork note. 5th question, first one. Write all possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed by using the following digits. Okay, in bracket inside you write repetition of digit is not allowed. Using the digits 2, 5 and 7. Okay, you write all the possible 3-digit numbers. Write neatly. Have you finished? Now the second one. Okay, say the answer. 2, 0 and 9. Okay, write all possible 3-digit numbers. Okay, children. So repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay, so say the numbers, say the answer. The 3-digit use panni enna cheyanum 3-digit number sollanum. Okay, so using the digits. Okay, 2, 0 and 9. Okay, children. Now you say that answer. Therefore, possible 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers are first 209, 209. Okay, 209. Next 290, 290. Then 0 வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர்ல எழுத முடியுமா? நம்ம 029 அப்படினா என்ன ஆகிரும்? நமக்கு அது 2-digit நம்பர், இட் இஸ் நாட் வேலிட். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்போ 0 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம போடவே முடியாது. ஓகே, ஸோ யூ கம் டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ஸோ 920, 920, 902. ஓகே, ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். 209, 209, 290, 290 and 920, 920 and 902, 902. And any other possible? Any other possibility is there? No. Then 222, 999 is there. But your question is repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay, so that's why 222 and 999 is not come. Okay, children, clear? Yes, you write it in your classwork note. Second one. So 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? நம்ம 0வை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட்டாக போட்டு ஃபார்ம் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ எப்போவுமே ஒரு நம்பருக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம 0 போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த நம்பர் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? வேல்யூ இல்லை. ஸோ அது அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்னவா மாறிடும்? 2 டிஜிட்டாக சேஞ்ச் ஆயிரும். ஓகேயா? ஸோ that's why 0 வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போடவே முடியாது. ஸோ your answer is only 4 numbers only. 209, 290, 920 and 902. Okay? Yes. Do you understand? Write neatly. Write neatly, children. Have you finished? Yes. So now you come to the next question. Write all the children listen. Your question is write the possible 3-digit number. Okay, write all possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 3, 1 and 6 where repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay, so identify the greatest and the smallest numbers formed. So first of all, you write all the possible 3-digit number. Okay, children, using the digits. Okay, so then after you identify the greatest and smallest number. Okay, so now you write the answer using the digits. Three, 1 and 6. Okay, now you say the possible 3-digit numbers. Say, we can form the 3-digit numbers. Okay, so all possible 3-digit numbers are, say the answer 316. 316 use பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும் 3-digit number form பண்ணணும். Okay, so 316 316, 361 361 and 136 136, 163 163, 631 631, next 613. Okay, 613. And any other possibilities? No. Then after 331 and 101 111, sorry, 111 and 666. Okay, so this number is not come. Why? Your question in given where repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay, so that's why now you identify the greatest and the smallest number. So greatest number Greatest number is how much, say? You see the number, look at the number, 316, 361, 136, 163, 631 and 613. Which number is greatest number? Yes, 631. Okay, children. And the smallest number? Here your question is asked, identify the greatest and the smallest number formed. Okay, நம்ம form பண்ண நம்பர்ல இருந்து என்ன செய்யணும், greatest numberையும் smallest numberையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சு எழுதணும். Okay, now you say that smallest number is equal to 136 and 163. Which one is smallest? 136. Okay, are you clear? Yes. So your answer is, the greatest number is 631 and the smallest number is 136. Okay, children, write it in your classwork note. Write fast. At the same time, you write neatly. Okay, do it. Write all the possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 3, 1 and 6, where repetition of digit is not allowed. Identify the greatest and the smallest number formed. Okay, first of all, you use the digits 3, 1 and 6. You write the 3-digit numbers. Okay, so that is 360, 361, 136, 163, 631 and 630. Now you identify the greatest and the smallest number. Okay, children, are you clear? Yes. So write fast, children. Have you finished? Okay, now you come to the next question. Write the smallest 6-digit number. Write the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay, using 3 different digits. Say the answer. First of all, you say the answer, 6-digit smallest number. Okay, write the smallest. Listen, children. Smallest. Okay, write the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay, so smallest number. Say the smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number. What is the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number எது நம்மளுக்கு? First number is 0, 1, then after 0 will come. Yes, how many digits remaining? 5 digits, okay. So, your number is 1 lakh. So, this is the smallest 6-digit number. Yes, children, you have studied first standard onwards. We have studied, yes. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Okay, so your number, smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. But here, what is the question? Write the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. This is your numbers. Unoda number la, unoda smallest 6-digit number idana. Cherdana, enna nammalukku 1 lakh. But here your question is using 3 different digits. Okay, but here is using only 2 digits only used. Yes, 0 and 1. Here used only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. But here your question is write the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. So what is the answer? What is the answer? So, the next digit, use the digit. Here 1, 0 already is there. Yes, children. Then remaining another digit is 2. That's why 3 different digits. Inga nammalukku 1 0 use panni smallest 6-digit number eludhirukom. Ana unoda question la enna ketirukanga? 3 different digits. So 1, 0, 2. These are 3 different digits. Okay. Now you say the answer. Therefore, the smallest 6-digit number. Children say the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. So your answer is the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. Is, say the answer, 1 lakh. So next number 2 also coming. Okay, so 1 0 0 0 0, the last digit will be 2. Okay, so that's why your answer is 1 lakh and 2. The smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits is 1 lakh and 2. Okay, children. So it is very easy only. First of all, you write the smallest 6-digit number. Okay. So that number is 1 lakh. But here your question is using 3 different digits. Your question, your answer is 1 lakh is there. But here is used only 2 digits. That is 0 and 1. Okay. Here that is smallest number is 0. But we will use the digits only 0 and 1 only. Okay, children, the number cannot start with 0. So that's why your number is smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. But your question, the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. So that's why using the digits 0, 1 and 2. Okay, are you clear? Yes. So your answer is the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits is 1 lakh and 2. Okay. So now write it in your classwork note. This is the 7th question. Write the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. Write it. Write it. So smallest number use பண்ணனும் அப்படினா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? First one smallest number எடுக்கணும். நம்மளுடைய digit 0 to 9. So you choose only smallest number. Okay, that is 0, 1 and 2. Okay, children. So that's why your answer is 1 lakh and 2. Write fast. Write neatly. You write the question properly, okay? Your question is write the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. So first you write the smallest 6-digit number. That is all of you know. Yes, 1 lakh. But here your question is write the smallest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. So you use the digits 1, 0 and 2. Okay children. So that's why your answer is 1 lakh and 2. Write fast. Have you finished? Now the next question. Write the greatest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay, 4 different digits. Write the greatest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. What is the greatest 7-digit number? The greatest 7-digit number is the greatest 7-digit number. How much? Greatest 7-digit number. Okay children, so what is the answer? Okay, 99,99,999. So your greatest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. But your question is write the greatest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay children. So நம்ம இங்க உன்னோட நம்பர்ல greatest 7-digit நம்பர்ல ஒரே ஒரு digit தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. That is 9. 9 only used. That's why your answer is 9999. How many digits? 7 digits. So that's why your answer is 99,99,999. But your question is using 4 different digits. So 4 different digits, greatest number. So using the digits. Which digit? 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. So அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு இந்த நம்பரை யூஸ் பண்ணி greatest number form பண்ணணும். Okay. Your question, write the greatest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay children. So 4 different greatest numbers. So greatest digit எடுக்கணும். That is 9876. So இந்த 9876 யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Greatest 7-digit number. So you say now, therefore the greatest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay, 4 different digits. Say the answer. So different digits. So அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு 9876 வரும். So ஒன்ஸ்ல இருந்தே போட்டுட்டு வா. 6, 7, 8, 9. So here only 4 digits. So remaining how many digits? 7-digit number. So here 4 digit is there. So the remaining 3 digit we need. Yes. So that's why you put the small. That is the greatest number. Which one is greatest number? 9 only greatest number. So you put 3, 9. 3 times you put 9. Okay. So that's why your answer is 99,99,876. Okay children. So number வந்து எழுதும்போது ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா எழுதணும். என்ன செய்யணும்? ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்தே ஃபில் பண்ணிட்டு வா. So we need 4 different digits need. So that's why 99,99,876 only your answer. Okay. Clear? Yes. You write it in your classwork note. Write the greatest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay. So எப்பவுமே அடுத்த இன்னொரு டிஜிட் நம்ம ஃபில் பண்ணும்போது லாஸ்ட் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து போட்டுட்டு வரணும். ஓகே எஸ். ரைட் ஃபாஸ்ட். The greatest 7-digit number, first you write, then after you write the greatest 7-digit number using 4 different digits, okay? The different digits are 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, children? So that's why our answer is 99,99,876. Next question. Ninth question. Listen, children. Write the greatest 8-digit number using 4 different digits, okay, where 7 lies at the thousands place. First of all, you write the greatest 8-digit number, okay. So you write the greatest 8-digit number. The greatest 8-digit number. How much? 8 times 9 will come, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit greatest number. So 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. The greatest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, children. Now you see the question. Write the greatest 8-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay. So therefore the digits are 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Now you reform the number. The greatest 8-digit number using 4 different digits. So you say the number. The record number is therefore the record number is equal to the greatest 8-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay. So here 9876. So you fill with ones place. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Then remaining 4-digit 9. Okay. So why we need 8-digit need. Okay. The greatest 8-digit. So here 4 digits there. First you fill at ones place. 6, 7, 8, 9. The remaining 4 digits are there. You put that place as bigger one. Okay. So here comparing 9876, which one is bigger? 9. So you fill the 9. Okay. So your answer is 9 crore 99,000 lakh 99,876. But here one more option is given where 7 lies at the hundreds place. Okay, write the greatest 8-digit number using 4 different digits. So I used 4 different digits. Okay, where 7 lies at the hundreds place. 7 வந்து எங்க இருக்கணும்? hundreds placeல இருக்கணும். So what is the answer now? 7 வந்து உன்னோட எங்க இருக்கணும்? hundreds placeல இருக்கணும். So now rechange the digits. Okay, here is 7, here is 8. Okay children, clear? So நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்க, நம்மளோட நம்பர் greatest 8 digit number இதுதான். ஆனா क्वेश्चन என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Write the greatest 8 digit number using 4 different digits. So your different digits are 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, so that's why you rearrange the number. 9 4 times 9, 8, sorry, one more 9. Okay, this is the greatest 8-digit number using 4 different digits. But here your question is again where 7 lies at the hundreds place. Okay, so அப்போ என்ன வரணும்? 7 வந்து hundreds placeல இருக்கணும். அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம rearrange the digits. So that's why 7 is in 100 place, 8 is in tens place. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now you write it in your classwork note. Write fast. Write the greatest 8-digit number using 4 different digits where 7 lies at the hundreds place. Okay, so the greatest 8-digit number first of all you write, then after you write the record number. Okay, yes, write fast. Your number is 9,99,786. Have you finished? The next sum is the next question. Write the smallest 9-digit number. Write the smallest 9-digit number using 6 different digits. Using 6 different digits where 2 lies at the lakhs place. Where 2 lies at the lakhs place. Okay, so write the smallest 9-digit number. Therefore the smallest 9-digit number, smallest 9-digit number, what is that? Smallest number, so start from 1. Okay, 1, the remaining 8 digit is 0. Okay children, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again one more 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 digit. Okay, so your number is 10 crore. Yes, so the smallest 9-digit number is 10 crore. Okay, so now your question. Write the smallest 9-digit number using 6 different digits. 6 digit number use பண்ணனும். Okay, so the digits are here already 2 digit only use, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 6 digit. Okay, the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you say the answer. Therefore, the record number is, what is the number? The smallest 9-digit number using 6 different digits. Okay, so first of all, you write the number, okay? Then after you put where 2 lies at the lakhs place, okay children? So you start from, okay, here. 5, 4, 3, 2, then again 1 not come, 1 is first, okay? So then remaining how many places there? 4 places, so you put 0. 4 places 0. 2, 3, 4, 5. So the smallest 9-digit number, the smallest 9-digit number using 6 different digits. Okay, this is the 6 different digits, smallest 9-digit number. Okay, now where 2 lies at the lakhs place. 2 வந்து lakhs placeல இருக்கணும். Okay, so now you convert it. What is the lakhs place? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So upon the 2 எங்க வந்துரும்? Yeah, that 2 lies at the lakhs place. Okay, so 2 is here. Okay, so your answer is, so here is again 0. So your answer is 10 crore 2,345,000. So your answer is, the smallest 9-digit number is, say children, 9 digits there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 digits, so 10 crore 2,345,000. Okay, clear? Yes. So write it in your classwork note. Your question is, write the smallest 9-digit number using 6 different digits. Okay, where 2 lies at the lakhs place. Write the answer. Okay children, now your homework, page number 10. All of you take your book, page number 10. All of you take your book, page number 10. Your homework is, you see the exercise 1.2, question number 4. In exercise 1.2, question number 4. Children, all of you take your book, page number 10. I hope you have taken, yes. Now you see the question number 4. In exercise 1.2, question number 4, okay? You mark the question, write all possible 2-digit numbers that can be formed by using the following digits. Repetition of digit is allowed, okay? So in 4th question, 4th one. In 4th question, only 4th one, okay? Now you come to the 5th question, question number 5. Write all possible 3-digit numbers, okay? that can be formed by using the following digit. Repetition is not allowed. Add one more. Identify the greatest and the smallest numbers in each of the above. So first of all, you can be formed the 3-digit numbers. Okay, so 3-digit numbers form பண்ணிட்டு அதுல இருந்து என்ன செய்யணும், greatest numberையும் smallest numberையும் எடுத்து எழுதணும். Okay, are you listening? Yes. So in page number 10, question number 4, only fourth one, and question number 5, second and fourth. Okay, these 3 sums only homework. Do it properly, then do the homework properly. Again and again I am saying, take a photo and send it your WhatsApp number. Okay children? Okay, I want to see your homework. So do it. Okay, we will see in the next class. Thank you.